Make a great choice today with the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.